Goyal Brothers Prakashan is expectantly pursuing its efforts to shape the future of math education by providing best math books for students and teachers. The series Foundation Mathematics for grades 1 to 5 is based on the latest curriculum prepared and recommended by the Council of Indian School Certificate Examinations, New Delhi, and New Education Policy 2020. The series has 3 components: course book, online support, teacher's resource book. Let's talk about the structure of the lesson. Each chapter starts with learning target that defines the goal of the chapter. The goals are written in student-friendly language for easy understanding of students. The next is I can. I can has statements or objectives that articulate at the beginning what students should know and be able to do. Let us recall refreshes the concepts learnt in the previous class. It consists of exercises, pictures, and activities. These help in easy recapitulation of concepts. Explore and learn helps students explore about the concept in detail. This helps students investigate, study, or analyze the given knowledge or information. Apply and learn are exercises that enable students apply the concepts to questions. Such interactive exercises help in kids' participation. Notes provides tips to remember for solving questions easily. The fact box remember highlights the important points related to the concepts. Questions under the head challenge trigger the analytical reasoning of the students. It enables students to naturally boost their mathematical reasoning skills. Let's talk about structure of the exercise. The first one is value-based questions. Value-based questions are meant to inculcate moral values in children. Review and refresh at the end of each chapter checks the retention capacity and the level of understanding of the students. Assignments under the heading Mental Maths not only enhance the mathematical and calculation skills of the students, but also fortify the concepts already learnt. Fun with Maths contains out-of-the-box questions which challenge the understanding capacity of the students. Let's Play introduces games that improves critical thinking, problem solving, interaction, and collaboration with peers. The gaming element can instill a love of math in our students. Math lab activities are meant to learn mathematical concepts through various activities. The activities are interesting, engaging, and enable interactive learning. Check Your Progress is meant to revise and revisit the concepts learnt in the last 3 or 4 chapters. Model test papers, one for half-yearly examination and other for the annual examination, have also been added for practice. Let's now turn to online support. Students and teachers can access our digital content at home through our enhanced mobile phone application, Meritbox. If the students are excited to visualize the characters they read about, the students can sit back and enjoy our animated videos. We bring out the problem solvers in our students with our engaging and interactive content. The video lecture on each concept can be accessed using Meritbox app. You will need to download the app from Google Play Store or the Apple Store. A scan QR code screen will appear. Focus on the QR code given alongside the concept to scan it. You can now watch the video lecture of the concept. Video lessons enable students to learn at their own pace. Chapter-wise assignments and interactive exercises are provided for each chapter for extra practice of questions. Ebooks can be easily accessed by teachers at any time or place. In addition to this, we have Teacher's Resource Book that gives teachers practical advice, guidance, resource ideas, and materials for the classroom. The highlights of the Teacher's Resource Book are background knowledge or review of the chapter. What an individual already know about the content is one of the strongest indicators of how well he or she will learn new information. Learning objectives. Learning objectives are essential for effective learning. Overview of the chapter. New vocabulary. Teaching or learning material. Teaching or learning strategies. Evaluation and assessment. Hints to some selected problems. Solution to model test papers. We hope that this series will help students and teachers in achieving the goals set by New Education Policy 2020. Thank you.